The rapid advancement of artificial intelligence, AI, is reshaping almost every industry across the globe. Many people are asking the same question: is my job safe? While AI offers significant benefits, from improving productivity to creating new business opportunities, it also poses a substantial threat to many existing jobs. As we approach 2025, the question of whether humans will continue to have a place in the workforce or if AI will take over is becoming more pressing. In this video, we'll explore the truth behind AI's impact on employment, the risks, the opportunities, and what you can do to secure your job in this new era. The rise of AI, a double-edged sword for employment. In recent years, AI has evolved at an unprecedented rate. From machine learning algorithms that can predict consumer behavior to natural language processing systems that can write human-like text, the scope of AI's capabilities is vast. It's clear that AI can perform tasks faster and more efficiently than humans in many cases. However, this technological revolution has led to a growing fear that robots and algorithms will replace human workers across various sectors. While AI is transforming industries like healthcare, finance, and transportation, the most affected industries tend to be those that rely heavily on routine, manual, or administrative tasks. Jobs in manufacturing, retail, and even white-collar professions like customer service, accounting, and legal work are being automated. This shift is what fuels the anxiety surrounding the future of employment. By 2025, it's estimated that a significant portion of these jobs will be replaced or heavily supplemented by AI-driven tools. Which jobs are most at risk? Certain jobs are far more vulnerable to AI disruption than others. Jobs that involve repetitive tasks like data entry, telemarketing, and assembly line work are prime candidates for automation. According to reports, up to 40% of jobs in the US could be automated by 2030, and many of these are low-skilled, routine jobs. Another area of concern is white-collar work. AI is already capable of automating complex tasks such as analyzing data, making predictions, and even conducting legal research. Many entry-level jobs in fields like finance, law, and customer service could be replaced by AI systems that can do the work more efficiently and accurately. For example, AI-powered chatbots are already handling customer queries, while software tools are processing invoices and contracts, reducing the need for human workers. The opportunities AI brings to employment. While AI presents challenges, it also opens up many opportunities. The fear of mass unemployment due to automation overlooks the fact that AI is not just a job killer, it is also a job creator. As AI systems take over repetitive tasks, human workers will be able to focus on more creative, strategic, and higher-level responsibilities. New industries are emerging as a result of AI advancements, creating millions of new jobs. Fields like data science, AI ethics, machine learning engineering, and cybersecurity are already booming and will continue to expand in the coming years. The demand for AI specialists, programmers, and engineers is on the rise, and these jobs are expected to be some of the highest-paying positions in the future. Reskilling and upskilling, the key to job security in 2025. The rise of AI in the workforce doesn't mean the end for all human workers, but it does mean the need for adaptation. To ensure job security in 2025 and beyond, reskilling and upskilling will be crucial. Workers must continuously learn new skills to stay competitive in an AI-driven economy. While some jobs may disappear, new ones will emerge that require different capabilities. For example, workers in customer service can learn how to work with AI-powered tools to enhance their interactions with customers. Professionals in fields like law and accounting can learn how to use AI-driven software for analysis and reporting, allowing them to provide more value to their clients. The human element, what AI can't replace. Despite AI's incredible potential, there are aspects of human work that machines simply cannot replicate. Empathy, intuition, and creativity are core human traits that remain irreplaceable. While AI can analyze data and make predictions, it cannot engage in deep emotional connections, think creatively, or understand complex social dynamics in the same way that humans can. In fields like healthcare, education, and the arts, the human element will continue to be indispensable. No matter how advanced AI becomes, people will always value authentic human connections. Whether it's the compassionate care of a nurse, the inspiring guidance of a teacher, or the emotional depth in a piece of music or artwork. Conclusion: preparing for the future of work. The truth about AI and employment in 2025 is complex. While some jobs are undoubtedly at risk, the technology also creates exciting exciting opportunities for those willing to adapt. To ensure your job is safe, the best approach is to embrace change, continue learning, and remain flexible in the face of technological advancements. The future of work will likely involve a combination of AI-powered tools and human ingenuity, and those who can strike that balance will thrive in the new world of employment.